Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Jenny Philippines. And of course, right now we were going to Palaypay po. I'm with live DJ. Welcome to our next vlog. Right now we are with the next Tarzan's. We are here now in Pamplonas, and then we will start to walk around here before we reach that waterfall. Ah, naihinay. This is all Filipinos have together.
Opening the store na
Welcome to my new vlog for another hiking with the groups. This local hikers. Yeah. Valencia group. So, our first time to join here. Then, isa pa.
Go, go, go!
Go, go, go! This is located in Pamplona.
Adre, rame! Shortcut!
Kanite.
Ngitangan
That's
sa
very
tuloy.
nice.
Tarzans are lost!
So we are with the Tarzan guys. You are first time here to join them. Okay.
Bangkat ka to ano? Dahil lakaw ka dito dyan. Okay.
Okay. Pwede po. Lantaw ta. Wow! Wow.
Next. This go. Gonna next. This one, this one. That's too much adventure. Hi, welcome to my vlog.
Still go, even
Uy,
when
pang-
you feel slow, you can
panguan
still
mayo.
go. Even when there's no
Pangupot
hope, you
mayo.
can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. And everything you wish, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredients, believe. Little seed with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
This is my adventure and video for today. I hope you enjoy it. See you in the next one.